Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably eager to transfer your BNB from Bitmart to Kraken, especially with the updates coming in 2025. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. By the end of this video, you'll have your BNB moved securely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Kraken. Double check that your Kraken wallet address is ready to receive BNB. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any losses. Start by logging into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. This is where you'll manage your assets. Next, locate BNB in your wallet and click on the Withdrawal option. You'll see a form pop up asking for details. Here, select the BNB network, typically BEP2 or BEP20. But always confirm what's compatible with Kraken to prevent any issues. Now, enter your Kraken wallet address carefully. I can't stress this enough. Copy and paste it to avoid typos. After that, input the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the transaction fees. They can vary based on network congestion, especially as we head into 2025 with potential blockchain upgrades. Review everything on the confirmation page, enable two-factor authentication if prompted, and hit submit. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Save that for your records. Once the withdrawal is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the network. While you wait, hop over to your Kraken account and check the deposit section. You should see your BNB arriving soon. If it doesn't show up after a reasonable time, don't panic. Just reach out to customer support on either platform. A quick tip. Always withdraw a small test amount first if you're new to this, to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay vigilant about security. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.